Have you pissed off somebody and they better, ooh, oh no. Did she just do that? Oh, she's back again. Oh, yep. We pissed somebody off, didn't we? Okay. Has your blinker fluid sprung a leak? That might be something we can fix. Oh, it's still going, isn't it? Okay. Yeah. Alright folks, welcome back to an episode of Bare Bones Workshop. On this episode, we were working on my 2005 Dodge Ram 1500. We got a couple problems. One of my brake lights is broken out, and the other one lost all its blinker fluid. So let's take a look real quick. Here's the brake lights in question. Now I could have just gone with some original factory replacements. However, I decided to get on Amazon and I found these smoked out LEDs. They look so much cooler. I think they're going to be awesome. The rest of the truck, black and blue, I think it's going to really shine. So I'm going to show you guys how we take those out and put these new ones in. Alright, so the first step is I got two T8 bolts right there that need to come out. So let's take those out first. Put them aside for later. Alright, that's really the only thing that's really holding them in there, except for on the other side, they're like pushed in with these rubber screws here. Just kind of pop in there. So two rubber things just kind of pop in there. Now when we're looking at the plug here, flip this over, see if you guys can get in there. On the plug itself, there's like this little red little tab here. Grab a pair of pliers, pull that up. Then you gotta squeeze on the top here and work it out. Now if you do have a little bit of problem breaking that loose, you can always grab like a little pick and get in there and kind of just break it loose a little bit. Simple as that. That light is out. Going back in, just reverse the order. Plug your plug in. Slide that little keeper in there. Put the screws back in. And just like that, that light is replaced. So let's knock out this side real quick. Alright folks, that was a pretty simple job. Took me about maybe 15 minutes to knock that out, and they look amazing. So I'm going to show you guys how they look, and on the next episode we're going to do the headlights.